What is up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can create QQ account. Well, creating the QQ account is pretty simple. For that, you just have to come to Google and search for QQ. Now searching for QQ will bring obviously the QQ.com. Go to the QQ.com. Then the QQ.com, you will easily be able to see this page. Here what you have to do is you just have to go to the registration page. Now if you can't find the registration page, what you have to do is you just have to go back and then simply search for QQ registration, or you can go through this page. Now, QQ registration will take you to the QQ registration page. Here, the process is pretty simple. First of all, enter whatever the nickname of the account you want to be, and then enter the password you want it to be. Just make sure your password is 8 to 16 characters and it contains small and capital alphabets, and then it contains numbers and a special symbol as well, so that your password could be strong. Now, and at the very end, you just have to enter your phone number for verification, and there you go. Double check the agreement and then sign up. That's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to create a QQ account. Hope you guys find this video helpful.